In this video, I am going to show you how to make ICICI credit card bill payments using iMobile app. On your phone, open the iMobile app, log into the iMobile app. Once you are logged in, the dashboard looks like this. On the dashboard, you need to click on Cards and Forex, and it will show you the list of credit cards you have. Currently, I have 2 credit cards. Select the credit card on which you would like to make the bill payment. Once you select the card, at the top, it will show you the credit card details, and at the bottom, it will show you your last billed details. This is the total amount I need to pay. To make the bill payment, under your last bill details, you have pay bill option. You need to click on pay bill and you need to select your bank account. And below that, you have 4 options: current outstanding amount, last bill amount, minimum amount due, other amount. If you want to pay the total bill, you need to select this option, last billed due, and click on pay. And it will show you the total amount which you are going to pay for your credit card and the account from which the money will be debited. It will show you your savings account. If you are okay with that, simply click on submit. You will get a message, your payment has been successful. Click on OK. So that's it guys. In this way you can make ICICI credit card bill payment using iMobile app. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.